Got the new exhaust balanced on. It is literally balanced. Just literally balanced, no clips, nothing, just a copper pipe holding it up. This is a straight through pipe. Just thought I'd try it before I put the box on, just to see how it sounds. Let's go and see. Here's the old bit, temporary fix. Couldn't fix that or that. So we splashed out. There it is, it's just balanced on bricks. Definitely sounds like a tractor, and I think we do need the box on it, so that's the next job to do. I don't need Doris any noise, you know what she already is.